with plants. Like you got.
Yeah, it's aesthetic.
You gotta have the plant game on point. Look, it keeps growing this though. And I know I should just accept him for who he is, but I don't like this because it looks like desert plant, and I'm not really a fan of desert plants. So I'm gonna have to cut it.
It's a tragedy.
So, Sour Patch Kids has made a cereal. And Sour Patch Kids is one of my favorite candies, and cereal is one of my favorite foods. So I feel inclined to try it. So me and my friend Zach, who's behind the camera, we're both gonna try it for ourselves because we never had it before. Here is the box. This is what it looks like. Here in Southern California, you can't really get it in stores. So I had to search far and wide on the internet until I found a website called Walmart.com, and I had my mommy buy it for me. Smells kind of good, dude. Not even gonna.
That does smell good.
It's kind of lit.
All right, go for it.
So then this is my favorite flavor too.
Not a good sign.
I'm not sure how that's gonna taste in the milk.
Not a lot of hope for.
So here we have the Sour Patch Kids cereal. There's not much else to say, so we should just do it.
All right. You know what it tastes like?
Fruity Pebbles.
It tastes like Fruity Pebbles, but it also tastes like those popsicles you get from the ice cream truck.
Mm-hmm.
It's nowhere near as sour as regular Sour Patch Kids, but
But it's still
the
kind
sour
of
is there. Yeah, there is sour there, which is weird. I didn't expect the cereal to pull that off.
I think that this is an entirely unnecessary thing for them to do, but it's not bad.
They didn't need to do it, but they did it right. But I can't imagine, like, not only like myself being like a 20-year-old, but even like, you know, a kid about to go to school to have this in the morning for their breakfast. Like,
Yeah, it doesn't really fit anywhere. Like,
it doesn't seem like a good breakfast. You know what I mean? It
Yeah.
seems like a weird dessert that you try once and you don't really talk about it again.
yeah, like this.
Yeah.
I expected the sourness of the Sour Patch Kids to make the milk taste spoiled. You know, but I don't notice that at all. But I will say that the more of them you have in a spoonful, the better it tastes. If you have a spoonful with more milk than the cereal, it doesn't taste as good.
Yeah, and it tastes more sour too the drier the cereal is. Once it kind of washes off the sour, it's not really sour.
This is not anything I've ever had before. And I don't necessarily mean that in a bad way, but I also don't really mean that in a good way either.
I don't want to ever have this again.
As far as the rating goes, I'm gonna say a 6.
I'll probably give it like a 5 because I don't have any urge to ever eat it again, and I think the type of rock bottom you have to be at to like actually resort to eating Sour Patch Kids as your favorite cereal, or not even your favorite, just you have other cereals and you pick the Sour Patch Kids, like it's a new low.
Oh, necromancer, put a spell on
Yeah.
me. With kisses so sweet, stay on my teeth. Oh, necromancer, who are you?
Ow.
I guess you're just.
Oh. Holy fuck, that's huge, dude.